Trenz offers smart fixtures that connect directly to your home Wi-Fi and allow for white and RGB tuning. Select the perfect shade of light, from warm to cool white or color. Choose from dynamic lighting modes, create scenes, timers, and more. The ultimate DIY smart home lighting solution, powered by Wiz, Trenz fixtures and devices can now be controlled from your phone, tablet, smart speaker, or through the Wiz app. Experience full-color Wi-Fi-enabled lighting with no hub needed. Our smart fixtures and devices include the Thin LED Pro Wiz with a thin profile, available in 4 and 6 inch. The Retina Pro Wiz, available in 4 inch. And the Omega Pro Wiz, available in 4 inch, with regress optics to reduce glare. Both the Thin LED and Omega offer interchangeable magnetic trims and the ability to select a color temperature of light direct from the Trenz Smart Room controller. Additionally, 16 million different colors of light can be selected from the Wiz app to suit any mood for your space. This smart room controller replaces the switch on your wall and allows you to control all of your Wiz-enabled lights in the room, even if they are not hardwired together. The fixtures are set up and connected to the smart room controller within the app. Once you have your home set up, the smart room controller allows you to turn the lights on, off, dim, change the white from warm to cool, and toggle between 4 favorite modes set up within the app. This even includes custom scenes you create. The best part about the Trenz Smart Room controller is that you don't lose power when you turn the lights off, meaning that you can turn the lights off from the switch and turn them back on from the app or your smart speakers. To further complete your smart home lighting, Trenz also offers a smart dimmer and smart 3-way switch to connect traditional fixtures to Wi-Fi for control through the Wiz app or smart home speakers. Now you can wirelessly control your decorative fixtures and under-cabinet lights. With the new smart lighting solution from Trenz, you can customize and update your home's lighting as your life changes. There are dynamic color modes that allow you to feel like you're really there, with settings from ocean to jungle, allowing you to make your lighting in your space unique. Experiment with the app and create the perfect room atmosphere. Once you're satisfied with your selection, take a picture and bring the scene back again with your voice or clicking a snapshot. You can even create schedules to automate your lighting. Discover smart lighting by Trenz. For more information, please visit trenzlighting.com.